What we are finding 2Sn is equals to, this is what? 2a plus n minus 1 into d, 2a plus n minus 1 into d, 2a plus n minus 1 into d, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. How many times? It is n times. So when same number is repeated or added certain number of times, suppose I add 5 10 times, answer is 5 into 10. Suppose if I add 12 100 times, answer is 12 into 100. Here I am adding the term 2a plus n minus 1 into d 1 time, 2 time, 3 time and n time. So answer become n times of 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So Sn become n by 2. I am taking this 2 here because this is the answer of 2Sn. So answer of Sn become n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the proof of finding the sum of n terms of any arithmetic progression. Now we will discuss the special use of the same formula Sn is equals to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Suppose I want to find something from this formula Sn is equals to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. There was some arithmetic progression whose Sn is given by 2n square plus n. And I ask you that is it possible to have Sn is equals to 2n square plus n for any arithmetic progression? Your answer must come yes, it is, because it is quadratic, it has linear term but it does not has any constant term. So first answer is yes. To make possible the sum of n terms of some progression can be given by this relation. If I ask you if Sn is this, what is its An? An means general term. We know that Sn means first terms a1, a2, a3 dot 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 an minus 1 and last term an. If Sn I again write, in place of Sn if I write Sn minus 1, what is meaning by Sn minus 1? Sum of only n minus 1 terms, that is first term plus second term plus third term plus n minus 1th term. I ask you to subtract. What subtraction? Sn minus 1 from Sn. Sn is this, Sn minus 1 is this. So Sn minus 1, that is sum of n terms has a first and sum of n minus term is the second. So if I subtract the value of a1, a2, a3 dot 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 an minus 1 from this value, I will get to know the answer is coming out to be only an. So if Sn is given, we want to find an, we want to find nth term, we want to find general term. How we will find? From Sn subtract Sn minus 1. What is Sn? Clear? First to nth term. What is Sn minus 1? First to n minus 1th term. When we subtract, Sn minus 1 is giving us an. Okay. How we will apply? Sn we have 2n square plus n, and I want to ask you what is its nth term. What is the nth term of that arithmetic progression whose Sn is given by this formula, this much relation? So we will use this concept. Sn we have this. What is Sn minus 1? Sn minus 1 means 2 into n minus 1 whole square plus n minus 1, because n is replaced by n minus 1, n is replaced by n minus 1, n is replaced by n minus 1 from Sn. So Sn minus 1 is coming 2 times of n square minus 2n plus 1 plus n minus 1. Subtraction or difference of Sn minus Sn minus 1 is giving us 2n square plus n minus 2n square plus 4n plus 2 minus n plus 1. So this difference of Sn minus 1 is coming. This is being cancelled. N is being cancelled. We left with what? 4n plus 1. So the difference is coming 4n plus 1. So Sn minus 1 is known as what? An. So answer of An is 4n plus 1. So if Sn is given, we can find the nth term. A 4 into n plus n. This is clearly verified here. Coefficient of n square is 2. We know that the double of the coefficient of n square is known as the common difference in the formula of Sn, and we also know the coefficient of n is known as the common difference in An. So here it is 2, its double is 4, here it is 4, coefficient of n. Now I would like to tell you few important fascinating facts of the arithmetic progression which you will really enjoy. Suppose somebody asks you what is the sum of the first 100 natural numbers, first 50 natural numbers, first 10 natural numbers. Because when we call the natural numbers first, so it means that numbers are starting with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Series of the natural number is what? It is the arithmetic progression with first term 1 with common difference 1. Suppose somebody asks you what is the sum of first 50 natural numbers. So Sn is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So for first n natural numbers, the formula converts to n into n plus 1 upon 2. For first 50 natural numbers, it is S50, 50 into 51 upon 2. So you will do one thing, this is what? 25, 51 into 25, 25 1 ja 25, you will say carry 2, 25 5 ja 125, 125 plus 2, 127. So 51 into 25, this is coming out to be 1275.